I put together a video on how to program the VV-898S to get chirps to program it in dual band. The links provided in this video will be in the description below. You can head over to the chirpsdailyplanet.com. It's issues 5443, and we're going to download a dualbank.py file, and I'm going to show you how to reset your radio and put this py file module into chirps and upload to the dual band. Go ahead and head over to this chirps.dailyplanet site for the py download. The link's here at the bottom, right there. Go ahead and download that. You can store it on your desktop or in a file. Just remember where you put it. Alright. To reset our radio, and you'll need to do this from factory to get the dual band to work from chirps. Power down your radio. Power on your radio. So it turns on, hold the memory button 2 seconds. Let off. Have to push the memory button 2 more times. Accept it. Alright. And now we need to program it with whatever we want. 1, 4, 5, doesn't matter what it is. Menu. The 5th one. Go ahead and save that. Okay. And let's go to bank B and save one. 1, 4, 6. Doesn't matter what it is. Menu. Save channel 2 just to be safe. I don't think it matters. And now we're ready to upload whatever we programmed into chirps that we want on our radio dual band. Go ahead and open your chirp software. Go to the help. Make sure enable developer function is checked. If not, just click on it. Go back to the help tab and make sure that it has a black check next to it. Go ahead and go to file. Go to load module. Here we're going to load the .py file. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and just open that. And it's going to change the background to this orangish red color. Now we're going to download from our radio. And make sure you have the correct COM port. We want to change the radio vendor. And there it is. And then the model. Make sure it's on the dual band. Click OK. And we'll download from the radio. Alright, we are downloaded. So I'm just going to open one that I've already made. You can program your own. And here you can see we have memory A band. And we have memory B band. I've chose to make mine the same. Got some settings, advanced, key assignments. Alright, so what we need to do, go to radio, upload to the radio. Everything should be the same. Go ahead and click OK, and it will clone it to the radio. Plug your microphone back in, and we can see here on bank A we have a channel number. Bank B we do not have a channel number, and you can see it is not anything that, well, not anything I programmed in. Trick here, hit your VM. There it is, there it's away, there it is. That's going to get that to show up. I'll show you what happens here if you don't have it. So go ahead, menu 20, so we can show our names that we put in the CHIRPS program. Go ahead and turn that on. Up, down, doesn't matter. Up, down, over here, doesn't matter. It works either way. Turn it on, menu button, go back. Now it displays. And what I was telling you about earlier, doesn't show the name if you hit the VM. And that's just so you can program a channel in if you want to just listen to something real quick. Let's go ahead and give this a quick test. Oh, but before I do that, so right now, that's on mute. It only listens to, it's on band B, it only listens to band B. On band A, it only listens to band A. There is a dual watch feature, 07, dual watch. Go ahead and turn that on. And if you look now, we're still on bank B, but we can hear bank A. And I'll go ahead and test this here. KC7BKH radio test. And it looks like everything's working. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below. And I hope this helps you out.